When planning a funeral program, are you stuck with generic photo collages that just don't capture their spirit? Imagine creating a visual journey that honors every chapter of their life, not just a few random pictures. Today, I'm going to show you how to move beyond basic layouts and design a deeply personal photo tribute that tells their story and turns a funeral program into a keepsake families truly treasure. I'm Ava, and here at the Funeral Program site, we help families and creators design funeral programs that feel intentional, meaningful, and personal, without feeling overwhelming. In this video, we're focusing on how photo layouts can transform a standard funeral program into a visual narrative that reflects a loved one's unique journey. Most funeral programs include photos, but too often, they're treated as decoration instead of storytelling. A few images placed randomly on a page don't explain who someone was, what they loved, or how they lived. Thoughtful photo layouts guide the viewer emotionally. They help attendees connect, remember, and reflect. When done well, the photos don't just fill space, they speak. Instead of asking, "Which photos should I use?" start by asking, "What story do I want to tell?" That story might follow life stages: childhood, young adulthood, family life, later years, or it might focus on themes like service, faith, hobbies, or relationships. Once you know the story, your photo choices become clearer, and your layout feels purposeful rather than crowded. You don't need dozens of photos. A meaningful funeral program often uses fewer images with stronger emotional impact. Look for photos that show expression, connection, and moments, not just posed portraits. Variety matters too. Close-ups, candid moments, and environmental shots all add depth and help create a visual rhythm across the pages. Photo placement is just as important as photo selection. Balance is key. Allow space for images to breathe. Avoid stacking everything evenly just because it feels safe. A dominant image can anchor a page, while smaller supporting photos add context. Think of the layout as guiding the reader's eye gently from one memory to the next. What makes a photo layout truly meaningful isn't perfection, it's intention. Align photos with written elements like the obituary, order of service, or favorite quotes. When photos visually support the words on the page, the program feels cohesive, emotional, and deeply personal. Personalizing photo layouts isn't about fancy design tricks, it's about honoring a life thoughtfully. Thank you for being here, and for the care you put into creating meaningful tributes. Every thoughtful detail truly matters. Take care and see you in the next video.